Incoming now, we see a terminating East Midlands Railway service from Sleaford. Oh, please don't be 156408. It's actually 156497.
Welcome to Leicester Station. Please keep your luggage with you at all.
Well, incoming now, ECB 0924 East Midlands Railway service to last. Nottingham. Well, it's 222, of course. Yeah, 222.
to St Pancras from Sheffield.
Yes, of course. It's a train. That's a Meridian. That's Avon Car. Well, yeah. Incoming now is CB 0925 East Midlands Railway. Yeah, it's a very lippy day. Of course, it's 222 009. Yeah, 222 005. And then if we keep on rolling, we should have the 0924 East Midlands Railway service to Nottingham. 222 101. You may know this guy. Going at fault now is the 0925 East Midlands Railway service to Sheffield. Okay, I made another mistake. 222 005 was taken away the 0925 East Midlands Railway service to Sheffield. I've done it again, but there's a banquet. And 156497 has taken away the 0930 East Midlands Railway service to Lincoln Central, and thank you for that one turn. I think you know where we are, don't you? Yeah, Leicester. Again. Yay, fun. Incoming now, we see the 0935 East Midlands Railway service to Sheffield. 622, of course. 7 coach, of course.
Slowly working our way down from Liverpool is going to be the Midlands Railway service from Leicester MmL to Sheffield. I want to say it's worked by 2011.
We'll find out in a minute.
It is 2011. Just got to make sure that our eyesight keeps up.
22011 is working in B0935 East Midlands Railway service to Sheffield. Yay! I'm under a winner!
Okay, getting ready to depart is going to be 22011 with the 0935 East Midlands Railway service to Sheffield.
Yay! I'm filming a lamppost. Yay! Fun! Not. There we go! I think.
Service from Nottingham to London St Pancras. Worked by 22010.
And it's kind of filthy. What do I say? It's a 222. So we've seen 222 and then followed by 222 What's next? 222 Yay! Well, 222 is. Incoming now ECB 0943 East Midlands Railway service to Nottingham. Yeah. $43,049 has brought in the service. Neville Hill. And then I shall get ready to depart. Getting ready to depart now is
Eagerly awaits the reports.
0943 East Midlands Railway service to Nottingham.
Enjoy yourselves, I'll probably catch you in due course.
Hopefully see you at Derby.
Oh, I have no doubt.
$43,049 and 43. 43 out. And 43,047. Yeah.
Nothing ever beat that sound.
Incoming now, receive the 0948 East Mid.
Cross country.
Thank you. Cross country. Service to Birmingham New Street.
Okay, the next road is going to be the 0947 cross country service from to Birmingham New Street. No. Yes. Really? Is it?
172398.
Please take extra care on the station today, as services may be free.
Well, first, it's the cross country turbo star. 172398 is getting ready to departing with the 0948 East Midlands Railway service to
Birmingham New Street.
Birmingham New Street.
I've been genuinely astounded that everyone got on board that service because there were more people waiting than actually get on the train.
And from the looks of it, they actually have. How cross country? That is not acceptable.
Leicester MmL is one of the former MmL locos that will be heading off to Marston, presumably to go and pick up some rolling stock to be taken somewhere.
We think it's a 47.
This weekend, engineering work is taking place affecting trains on our London St Pancras route. Some trains have been retimed. Buses will be stopped between Kettering and Cornwall.
So it's
For
worth
further
around the
information,
D157s,
staff use the help points on the
Northern
City
Princess.
Railway website.
Oh, so we're both wrong. It's 57. Ooh, 305. Yeah.
It's just how it is.
There's a definitely. I've done it again. Incoming now, we CB 1003 East Midlands Railway service to Sheffield. Three. Oof. Triple two. Double O two. Eh.
Okay, we're ready to fly now. It's going to be 222 with 1005 is booked as railway service to Sheffield.
Triple 202. Triple 2002 has taken away the 1005 East Midlands Railway service to Sheffield. And then incoming now we see the late one in 1003 East Midlands Railway service to Leicester.
Okay, she gives it a beat, and then incoming is the late running 1003 is Britain's railway service from Sheffield to London St Pancras, report 2007.
2007 has brought in the 1003, late one in 1003 East Midlands Railway service to London St Pancras. 426 007 has.
Running about 5 minutes late. 10:03 service to London St Pancras. Never really cheap.
And off it goes. Incoming now, VCB 1018, cross country service to Stansted Airport. Wow.
Okay, the initial drive, coming in significantly early, is going to be the 1018 cross country service to Stansted Airport. 170 523 working service to Birmingham Street. I'm not sure. This one's 70.